this case, the lesson that we just booked a call for is part of the A1 levels, which is the first lesson. Now, as you can see in this part of this, in this stage, for the A1 from lesson 1 to 10, the goal is for you to memorize 500 Arabic root words, handle basic everyday interactions with memorized phrases, reduce language switching, speak at 20 to 40 words per minute, and read at around, you know, if it gets to 30 words per minute, then that will be perfect. And whatever is below, then that's normal. And here we are going to make you be capable of greet people and introduce oneself, ask and answer simple personal questions, name, age, nationality, how are you, talk about family, daily routines, weather, understanding, use basic pronouns, recognize and read short text with harakat, follow very simple instructions or announcements. Now, the point of this guide is that the instructor, all instructors, we are doing the same thing, which is making you go through this roadmap until the end of the program. And as you can see, the roadmap, it gets from a very simple goal to a more advanced goal on B2